Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL). BEL has seized the official notification for 28 vacancies for post of a deputy engineer. They are inviting the application forms with the qualification of a BE or BTech. Eligible and interested candidates can apply online and the last date to apply is 24th Feb. Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited (DFCCIL). DFCCIL has invited candidates to fill 642 vacancies for various posts like MTS multitasking staff, executive and junior finance manager. The education qualification for MTS is class 10th from any recognized board in India and 1 year apprenticeship or ITI certificate with 60% or above marks. The education qualification for an executive is a diploma in civil engineering, electrical engineering and electronics and telecommunication engineering. The education qualification for junior finance manager is CA or CMA. The last date to apply is 16th Feb.